Your burger and your leather belt come from the same bull inside this factory.
This is one of the most consumed foods across America, Brazil, and Argentina.
And this luxury belt comes from the same animal's processed hide. Food and fashion connected through one powerful industrial system. What looks simple is actually a highly controlled transformation process. To understand this process, we go back to the beginning.
It all starts in large-scale cattle farms across different countries,
Where animals are raised under controlled feeding and growth systems.
Cattle are fed high-protein diets to ensure proper growth and muscle development.
large farms manage thousands of animals at once under strict monitoring. Workers inspect health conditions while wearing full protective gear at all times.
Regular checks ensure quality standards are maintained before processing.
When ready, they are moved toward transportation units. Specialized trucks safely transport them to processing facilities.
Transport systems ensure controlled movement with minimal stress conditions.
From farms, they arrive at high-capacity facilities where complete utilization begins.
Modern processing plants are designed for efficiency and maximum resource utilization. Workers maintain strict control using protective masks and gloves.
Each animal is inspected before entering the processing line.
Automated systems guide movement into controlled zones. Processing is conducted under regulated and controlled industrial systems. Meat is separated efficiently using precision industrial cutting systems.
The meat moves through cleaning and grading processes.
High-pressure water removes impurities from meat's surfaces. Quality grading determines where each product will be used.
Precision machines cut portions for different food products.
Some portions are shaped into products like burger patties.
Products are sealed to maintain hygiene and freshness.
Controlled environments preserve meat before distribution. Finished food products are prepared for global distribution.
While meat goes to food markets, the hide begins a different journey.
The hide is separated and sent to leather processing units.
High-pressure water removes dirt and organic residue from the hide.
Chemical solutions prepare the hide for further treatment. Tanning strengthens the material and prevents long-term decay. Mechanical softening improves flexibility and texture. The hide is stretched to ensure uniform thickness.
Excess material is removed to achieve precision thickness. Natural tones are enhanced using controlled dye processes.
Drying stabilizes the treated leather for final shaping. Polishing enhances surface smoothness and shine.
Quality checks ensure no defects remain on the surface.
Cutting systems shape leather into usable components.
Stitching forms the base structure of leather products.
Metal hardware, like buckles, is attached securely.
This is where raw hide transforms into premium fashion products.
Edges are refined to achieve a premium finish. Final inspection ensures consistency and durability.
Leather is also used to create jackets and other products.
Footwear production combines leather with precise construction techniques. Final polishing enhances the luxury appearance.
Water resistance is tested to ensure durability.
Finished products are packed carefully. Leather goods enter premium markets worldwide.
Consumers see only the final polished product.
While the same animal becomes food on another side.
Two completely different products from one single source.
Precision defines the leather transformation.
Food products reach millions of households daily. Leather products reach premium fashion markets.
This is the reality of full resource utilization in modern factories.
Nothing goes to waste in this system. Every product reflects controlled industrial precision.
From farm to final product, the transformation is complete. Interior finishing matches exterior precision. Durability testing ensures long-term use. Protective coatings prevent moisture damage.
Different products emerge from one raw source.
Final approval confirms product readiness.
Products are sealed and prepared for shipment.
Distribution networks deliver products globally. From food to fashion, the journey is complete. A transformation defined by efficiency and precision. Elite factory systems turn raw materials into everyday essentials and luxury goods.
This video is created for educational purpose using AI tools. These tips and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Veo 3, Meta, Grok, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not represent AI visual as real footage.